Here we go. Now we're serious.
I put them all in that crate. Not a whole lot of kegs, but it'll get the job done.
Mm-hmm. It's definitely going to put a hole in every possible hole in the ship.
I'm gonna hang out here. Just us kids doing hoodlum shit. We have the same hair, by the way. Oh, no, we don't. You have the curls. You got the curls. Oh, it's like her eyes are following me. Her head. Oh, God. Okay. You ready?
Oh. Here we go.
Can you see me from where
Yep.
you're at?
I could see you. I mean, not see you? There. Well, your name tag.
No, I
there.
mean-
Your name tag officially gone? I don't know. I don't like it up here.
I mean, like, if you zoom into me, what do you see?
Oh. Well, yeah, I see you. There you are.
Okay. Ready?
Oh, God. Should we... Killing me. Really? It's broken.
Alright, never mind the concertina.
All right. Well, here goes nothing. I guess. Hey, here we go. All right. Oh, totally worth. Oh,
Oh, my damn.
we're sunk now. Fastest sink ever.
That was a lot faster than our other one.
Yeah, we did have twice as many kegs. Oh, it's stuck. Oh, there we go. Valves gave out. A nice, clean, shiny bottom, too. Oh, no.
Oh, it kicked me off. I was gonna dance a jig on the bottom of the ship.
Oh, rolling back over.
Here it comes
Here it
again.
goes. Hey, hey, we're back. Oh, no. Kinda.
It's so
Oh,
shallow
that's
right
it.
here that... Oh!
That's fantastic.